Welcome to the 2021 Florida RV Supershow. In this video, we're going to show you 4 travel trailers that we really liked, that are all very unique and have their own special qualities. The first ones here are the vintage cruisers. Those are a product of Gulfstream. And we've looked at those off and on for the last few years, but vintage has really come a long way in their construction. They're using Azdel composite sidewalls. They're coming standard with Goodyear Endurance tires. They've really upgraded, so you're not just buying the look, but you're really buying a much nicer quality unit.
Now, speaking of the look, these are just adorable. And I will say, when we first got into looking at whether we wanted to pull a trailer or get a motorhome or whatever, I just fell in love with these. And I would have been very happy to just get that and haul it around the United States. It is so cute. They are a throwback to a fun time in our history, and the colors are just delightful. They have nice appliances. That was a 4-burner stove. Here we have a couple of bunks. So obviously this is something you could travel with your kids. Those are nice bunks too. The bathroom is very adequate. Little bit of storage there. Has a medicine cabinet. The shower was decent sized. A little bench there. Lots of natural light.
Great storage in the front, goes all the way through with doors on both sides. This one had an outdoor kitchen with the pull-out shelf with the plumbed sink and the refrigerator.
Came in a couple of different colors too.
I like that Murphy bed.
I like that booth.
Looks like there should be a jukebox in there somewhere.
Absolutely. I do think I saw a radio on the wall somewhere. I could be mistaken.
It's really nice because, like Kathy said, it does bring you back to the nostalgic look and feel, but they really have upgraded. There's your radio.
Yeah.
They really have upgraded to the modern amenities that everybody looks for in a travel trailer today.
Lots of storage if you're just making some road trips. I wouldn't consider living in it full time, but it was just a nice little unit. And there were 2 of them I went into with this red decor. One of them actually had a separate bedroom for the parents, and then the other one, the other 2 were pretty much all one room.
The next one we're going to talk about is a Catalina, which is made by Coachman. Now, this is what they typically call in the industry a stick and tin trailer, meaning that it's wooden construction with the aluminum siding over the top of it. But this one is a little bit unique. It does have manual stabilizers, but it does have a power tongue jack. It does have the solid steps, and it has a huge window.
That is a huge window.
You'll really like that when we go inside. But one of the things that we found to be very important when we went full time is something that you just don't find in travel trailers, and we'll show you more about that as we go.
That actually had a little hookup for the dog on the outside there too.
And it's a nice price on this one. Has an outdoor refrigerator. And you can see by the vent there, the floor plan is going to have a kitchen in the rear. As you go in, there's a fireplace on the right with the TV, the fold-out bed, the dinette, and the kitchen.
Yeah, I really like a kitchen across the back like that.
A lot of counter space.
That was a pretty counter, too.
And you also have the two recliners there in front of that big window.
Going back through the kitchen, you can see the storage up along the top.
The colors in the cabinetry and the fabrics seems like they've kind of changed over the last few years. They've gotten away from a lot of the real dark browns and they went to more grays and tans and neutrals.
That helps it to look a little more space efficient on the inside.
Nice big shower. More storage. Now it's an east-west bed, meaning it sets across like what you see in a fifth wheel, with the big wardrobe in the very front. But this is the kicker. Right inside this door, you can either use for storage or
you can use it for a washer and dryer.
It's already plumbed for a washer dryer, which I think is great. You can't hardly find a travel trailer out there that's ready for a washer dryer.
That was still in the bedroom.
They've used the barn siding. They've made some real nice decor options in it. Now this is one I had never heard of before. It's called a Twilight, and it's actually from Heartland. It's a fiberglass shell with aluminum construction. It's actually Azdel sidewalls. Comes with Wi-Fi. Has power stabilizers, power tongue jack, and those great steps.
It's very clean looking.
It really is. And again, in a real nice price point.
As you come in, the bathroom is just there on the left.
Looks like a huge shower.
It is.
And as with the rear bath, you've got the full width, so it's very roomy.
Nice little closet there.
That's just inside the door on the right. Really handy. Theater seating, dinette, nice big windows.
I love that light
That's
over the
real
table.
pretty.
Yeah, it is pretty.
Has the black faucets like so many units are going to now. That's kind of the new look. Your wardrobes on each side of the bed. Pretty backsplash.
Yeah.
Solid surface counters.
The floor was pretty cool.
Yeah, very. And finally, we're going to a unit from Grand Design, and this was actually a new one to me also. You've heard of the Imagine and the Solitude and the Momentum and a lot of their other lines, but the Transcend is one I had not heard of, and it is a Grand Design travel trailer in a lower price point. And as you'll see here, it's a lower price point than just about anything that we've seen so far.
It has a very sleek look to it.
Again, the solid steps. double axle. This will give you a little idea of the floor plan. Great storage again all the way across. Really good looking graphics on the outside. Does have a power tongue jack. If you notice the fabrics there on the dinette with the bedding, everything's a little bit different, but it all fits together real well.
Yes, it does.
It gives it a lot more of an upscale look than what the price tag shows.
Nice space on the sides for making the bed.
Again, you have your theater seating, double door refrigerator freezer, microwave range hood, 4-burner cooktop with an oven.
The cabinets were nice.
Just off the kitchen is the bathroom with a big shower. A lot of vanity space. Storage everywhere.
I love the little cubbies in it. And there's your shoe cubby too.
That's great, right inside the door.
And right across from it is a nice little storage area as well. So they're utilizing their space.
Definitely looks like a Grand Design on the inside, but not at the Grand Design price tag. Really one to consider.
That's from right across from those shoe cubbies.
Well, we hope you've enjoyed our trip with travel trailers today at the 2021 Florida RV Supershow. If you haven't already, please subscribe and like our video and watch for more coming from the show. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you've enjoyed it. Please be sure to subscribe to our channel and be sure to ring the notification bell so you'll know when we have new videos listed. Also, be sure to check out our blog at followthemoon.us and also our Facebook page at Follow the Moon and on Instagram at Follow the Moon Travel. Thanks.